Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to finish up our discussion on fractions, and this part is going to be going from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So let's just, and I'm at the top of page 84 since we filled up the last page. So we're going to go from mixed fractions now to improper fractions. Okay, so step one is going to be, I'm going to have my mixed fraction, and I'm going to multiply the whole number part of the mixed fraction by the fraction's denominator. Okay, so I'm going to kind of color code all of these pieces. So let's do the whole number in green. We're going to do the numerator in orange. And we will do the denominator in blue. Okay, so if that is my mixed fraction, I'm going to take that whole number and I'm going to multiply it by the denominator. So I'm going to go 3 times 5. And that's going to equal 15. Okay, so let's take a look at step 2. Step 2, I'm going to add that number to the numerator. So I'm going to take this number here, 15, and I'm going to add it onto the numerator that I had right here, which is 2. And that's going to get me a new number. And let's write that in a different color even. 17. Okay. In our last step, step 3, I'm going to write the result above the prior denominator. So I'm going to take that 17, let me shift this up a little bit. I'm going to take that 17 and I'm going to write it over my old denominator of 5. And there you go. There's your mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we went from 3 2/5 to 17/5. Okay, so let's do one practice one. Okay, we are going to do 2 and 1/9. And we're trying to get that into an improper fraction here, okay? So I'm going to take my whole number and I'm going to multiply it by the denominator. So I'm going to take my whole number, which is 2, and I'm going to multiply it by my denominator, which is 9. And that's going to get me a new number. So 2 times 9 is going to be 18. Now, I have to add on this number here. So I'm going to add on that numerator, which was 1. And that's going to get me to 19. And I'm going to put that over that old denominator of 9. So that's my now mixed fraction. So if you need some arrows here, go like that. Go like that. And we'll do that. Okay. All right, so there's a practice problem for you. Let me give you 2 more practice problems that you can try on your own before you go and do some practice, I think, over on IXL. If I remember correctly, they had one. But if not, then you can just do these practice problems and call it good. Okay. So our practice problems for this are going to be 7 1/4. And let's do 2 3/8. Okay. All right, and your job is to turn those into improper fractions. And just a reminder that this is just for Monday's lesson. The real lesson is going to be practicing multiplying these fractions. So we want you to feel pretty comfortable going between mixed fractions and improper fractions, because when we talk about multiplying by percents and decimals, you need to have a basic understanding of this process, okay? If you're like, Mrs. Grossen, that was a lot, you don't understand what's happening, please come to my office hour from 1 to 2 p.m. today, and we can go over this because this is really important for you to understand going into middle school. All right, I hope you guys are doing well. Have a great rest of your Monday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.